Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In this video, I will show you how to find the Windows installation date on your computer. This trick works on both Windows 11 and 10. So let's begin. First, open the Start menu, then type here command prompt or CMD. After that, press enter. This will open command prompt window. On the prompt, you need to type Systeminfo pipe find under inverted comma original installation date. After that, press enter on the keyboard. Windows will immediately display the original install date, which tells you exactly when Windows was installed on your PC. If this command does not display anything, which can happen on some non-English versions of Windows, don't worry. Under command prompt, you need to simply type Systeminfo and then press enter. I will put these both commands in this one video description, so in case you need it, you can copy it from there. Now scroll down and find the original installation date. Here Windows will display complete system information. Just scroll down and find your original install date. You will see the same installation date along with other details about your computer. That's it. This is the easiest way to check when Windows was installed, and it works on both Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.